It is just a lot of stuff happening here.
Oh.
Ooh. Alright, he's just rubbing it in now. Hey guys, it's Wengie.
And Max the Blue, but today Red Unicorn.
And
Hugs!
And today we're doing slime foods
versus candy food.
And today's video was sponsored by Nut Cheerios. So without further ado, let's get into the first round. Let's go! And the food for round 1 is Nut Cheerios!
This is so cool.
It has this really cool packaging. So we're gonna tell you a little bit more about that later. So right now we're gonna actually pick out who's gonna be making it out of slime and who's gonna make it out of candy. All right, let's bring in the bowl. I'm just gonna pick. Hey, what are you?
I moved it.
Trying to sabotage me already.
What do you got?
Candy!
No,
Yeah!
I got slime. We're gonna be making it now and you guys gotta vote who did the best food.
Let's see who wins this. Alright guys, so I just poured out the Nut Cheerios. This is what we have to make. So on my candy side, I have some white marshmallows.
I can catch these marshmallows like every single time. 3, 2, 1.
It went back into the bowl!
Are you serious?
And the next thing I have for candy are these cool little Japanese kind of lollies.
Alright, so for my ingredients, I've got my glue, I've got some shaving foam, and some soft clay, and I feel like I can make this into slime.
Let's get started! I'm gonna microwave this, so this might turn a little smaller.
I don't even need to do anything.
No, it has to be slime.
Oh, come on.
I'll be right back, guys. Oh my god, I think my milk overflowed. Alright, I am back.
Holy, what happened to you?
It was a war zone.
Well, I'm way behind now. I gotta start making my slime.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
So first of all, I'm like, there's no holes in it, so I have a plan. I got some food dye here. I'm gonna make the Cheerio color, which I think is like a little bit of brown and a lot of yellow. Ooh, that's a lot of brown. Hey!
Alright, time for active.
Well, here is my trick. I'm gonna start painting the Cheerio. Because the hole is white, it's gonna look like there's a hole, you can see the milk. See, it all makes sense now.
You thought your marshmallows were good. Look at this. Slime Prince.
It's a good slime. I feel like I got a long way to go, guys.
So the next thing I have here is this like soft clay.
Meanwhile, I'm working hard here.
I'm playing. I'm having the time of my life.
Remove that.
It's starting to look a bit brown on that side. But I've now got a color that I think is pretty similar. I'm gonna just roll it out and then cut it up into those kind of sizes, and I feel like I'll be good. All right, I'm hopeful. I'm still hoping, but I'm starting to get worried. So I got a straw and I'm just gonna test whether this works to like create my gap.
Oh!
Not bad.
They look good. And we'll be back in 3 hours.
3 hours later.
All right, guys, I think I'm finally done. Look at how many packets of candy.
And meanwhile, I've got my bowl full of like this dry, soft clay that I'm just gonna pour straight onto this.
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
These are our Nut Cheerio replicas. My one is slime.
And this is made from candy. Look at each of the individually drawn Cheerios.
But you know which one's gonna be more satisfying to play with.
Okay, so go down to the comment section and vote who you think won. Wengie?
Max.
Vote for me. Alright guys, so I'm here to tell you why Nut Cheerios has this special packaging. It is the Nut Good Rewards program, and I'm here to represent my celebrity team, which is Team Lucy right here. So we're gonna support our good friends at the ASPCA to, of course, help our little furry friend.
Like Mia, like this one here.
So if you guys want to support Team Lucy and our furry friends, all you need to do is scan this buzz coin in to vote for us. And I want to do a huge shout out to my ambassador teammate, Mackenzie Ziegler. Instructions are at the back of the box, so all you need to do is go to begoodrewards.com, scan in your BuzzCoin. Just note guys, you can scan your BuzzCoin 3 times a day, so you can totally scan again and keep voting for your team. And then you have a chance to win a bunch of prizes, as well as vote for your favorite team. And since you're watching my videos, please vote for Team Lucy and the ASPCA. And the winning charity will win $100,000 donated to their charity. And also you could win $10,000 as well on top of all the other prizes. So don't forget to grab your Honey Nut Cheerios, get your BuzzCoin, and do good. And I've included the link down below for you guys to check out. Who are you gonna vote for, Mia? Team Lucy! Alright guys, let's have a look at what this consistency of this marshmallow is. Oh, look at that! I need to wash it down. Some Cheerios.
Oh, that's really sour.
It's like sherbet.
Time to squish mine. Oh.
Ooh. Whoa, that feels good. I want to pick slime next time, guys. Alright, he's just rubbing it in now. On to the next round. Cheers! Alright guys, round 2. The food is one of my favorite foods in the whole entire world.
Ooh, what is it?
Ready guys? 3, 2, 1. It's sushi!
Oh, hey, this looks good. It's about time for lunch. I'm ready. Come on, candy.
Alright, I'm gonna take this one.
Yes!
Slime!
Candy in your face!
Since I'm making slime,
Holy
I have an assortment of
Look
glue
how much
types.
stuff there is.
I have orange, red, and black food dye. Plastic beads that look like kind of like fish eggs, you know, like fish roe you get on the sushi. White foam beads, clay colors. Oh, and I've got this like wax beads that kind of look like rice.
They super look like rice.
Right?
I've got like a bunch of candy here. These look so good. I got some like stretchy fruit, some like chewy fruit, gummies, and rice snacks. I'm ready to make my sushi.
All right, let's get making. I feel like I'm making mini slime right now.
Nigiri rice balls. Look at them. Just gonna line them up.
We got the slime. I'm gonna get some activator in here. Oh, there we go. Watch this, guys. It's gonna be so satisfying.
Whoa. Oh!
Oh, look at that rice.
That looks like a rice ball.
Look at that rice. Look at that.
Ooh.
Let me get my plate out.
Check out that salmon.
Oh,
yeah.
that looks good. I'm so satisfied right now with this. This is like so fun. I'm gonna quickly make some clear slime and get a tiny bit of this orange.
It's a more vibrant orange than actual salmon. I'm gonna start cutting up some little gummy candy.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
That's pretty good.
That looks like 7.
Yeah.
So I was thinking of just rolling the sushi like, you know, sushi is normally rolled. This could be like the lettuce. This could be like really yellow avocado. Getting some fish roe here.
I've made myself a little rice well, as you can see. I'm very worried.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh. I'm so scared.
There we go. It's a roll. I just need 2 pieces to do it. Okay, well I'm gonna take some creative liberty and make sushi with fish roe on the edge.
Wrap it up all nice and cozy like.
So I'm pretty much almost done. Check out this salmon.
Oh, okay, that looks like good salmon. I have to admit, I'm kind of copying you with this last bit.
Oh, look, inspired, I see.
This is it.
All right, guys, this is my slime sushi meal.
And this isn't mine. I even tried to put like a little yellow and green garnish, just like they did over here. Time to vote down below whose slime sushi or candy sushi you think looks better.
Come on, guys, you've never seen slime sushi this good.
Time for me to eat mine and time for her to play with hers.
Whoa.
It's so good.
Very crunchy.
Ooh.
Alright guys, don't forget to vote down below who you thought won my slime sushi
or my candy sushi.
And we're gonna go to the next round. Let's go. Alright guys, it is round 3 and for this round we are making ice cream! We have some unicorn sprinkles on top of the ice cream and it's strawberry flavored because I thought pink was kind of cute. So guys, remember this because we're gonna go eat it. We haven't figured out how to like balance this on the table anyway.
I'll balance it in my mouth.
So which one of us is gonna be making slime ice cream and which one of us is gonna be making candy ice cream?
I got slime!
Oh, I got so for my candy ice cream, I have myself some fairy floss.
Hey, that looks good.
No. And also, I've got myself some unicorn confetti.
Wait, the fairy floss almost already looks like ice cream. That's kind of like cheating. As Slime Prince, I've got my glue and my shaving foam here. I've got the same air, like soft clay. Then I've got my cone. Oh, and I've got some foam beads for my sprinkles.
I'll be done in like 30 seconds and then I'll like sit there.
I gotta make this quickly. I gotta make this quickly.
Maybe like a little narrower.
How far can I get this?
What? It's on your pants. Well, I'm almost done. I literally just need to sprinkle this on top.
Let's go. Use those muscles. Ooh, unicorn. Red soft clay, and I hope that when this mixes with the white, it'll become like a pinkish color.
I'm officially done. There's only so many sprinkles I can add to
Oh look, you even have like a white streak in your ice cream.
Strawberries and cream. Ooh, he's a good fluffy slime maker. It's a lot of slime for a little cone.
That's gonna be a big whopping ice cream. Look at that.
Ooh, that looks satisfying.
There we go.
Ooh, whoa. Alright guys, so this is my candy ice cream.
And this is my slime ice cream that keeps melting.
Well, I'm gonna try mine. Mine's got little unicorn sprinkles on top. It's made of fairy floss. Yum. Let's eat it. That's really good. Alright guys, don't forget to vote who you thought made the better ice cream. Candy ice cream.
Slime ice cream. Well, I mean, all I can do is play with mine. Oh, you know what I should do? Crunchy slime. I can feel the waffle like breaking up.
And time for the next round.
Let's go.
Alright guys, this is the last round. Are you ready for the last
so
round?
ready.
I mean, this is kind of like your favorite food. More so than mine. Alright, ready guys? 3, 2, 1. Alright, we have...
What is this? It's a mystery.
A hot dog!
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, boy.
You get to eat this afterwards.
Oh, really?
You want to pick yours?
I'm ready to pick. 3, 2, 1. Candy!
Slime!
How are you gonna make the bun?
I don't know.
Alright, well, I'm happy with my candy. Alright, you have fun over there with
I
this
haven't thought
slime.
about it that much. Alright guys, and we are back with our ingredients. I have, again, opaque slime, white glue, clear glue, activator, like a bunch of these
Whole bunch of foam balls.
beads, and then some food coloring.
Well, I got myself this giant lemon loaf, which I assume is gonna be for the bread.
It's a very big hot dog.
Some like gummy straws, and then I've got these like food icings. Look at this. I'm ready.
Alright, let's make it. So I'm gonna use this big bowl and make some white slime.
And I'm gonna basically start sculpting my loaf into a bun shape.
I actually like finishing off the activator with my hands instead of mixing it. Let's get the foam beads. Ooh. Ha 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 ha. Look at that. It's getting bigger. Your sausages look really small compared to like your bun.
They are very small, which is why I'm like, how do I make them into a bigger sausage? Maybe I just kind of twist them. And look, the bun kind of squishes them so it doesn't even unravel. So I noticed they had like some green stuff. I think it was pickle. I'm gonna put a few drops of pickle randomly.
This is how you cut hot dog bun, right? You just...
Oh hey, that works better than
that.
Yeah. Putting the mustard on. Oh, this looks way better.
That's so satisfying looking.
Let's go. Ooh, yeah.
Not as satisfying as the mustard for some reason.
Hey, come on, man.
But equally.
There is no way this is gonna fit onto this plate, so I'm gonna need a new one.
What? Where did that come from?
Perfecto.
Anyways, I made myself a sausage.
That doesn't look bad. Considering you're making it with slime, which I think is honestly much harder than making it with food, I feel like my job is done.
Do you want to guess at what I'm doing?
Oh,
look at that, look at that. Look how this goes.
Okay, I know what you're doing. This is the ketchup and mustard. Oh my gosh, that is a giant ketchup. What is going on?
I like to have more sauce.
That looks like jam. We are done. Check out these hot dogs. Mine's a candy hot dog.
And mine's a slime hot dog. Alright guys, vote down below who you thought won this round. Do you think my slime hot dog is better?
Or do you think my candy hot dog is better? Honestly, this looks bomb.
Alright guys, that is it. This is our final round. And also don't forget to join me in the Honey Nuts Good Rewards program. I have linked the website down below. Don't forget to collect your buzz coin, join Team Lucy, and help our furry friends out.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I just wanted to watch you eat that before I started playing. Oh!
Whoa!
Whoa! It is just a lot of stuff happening here. They don't look fun. Ooh, you did well! So don't forget to check out the unicornclub.us for my merch. Also guys, if you love slime like I do, there is a new channel called How to Slime. Don't forget to check it out.
We've linked that in the description box down below as well.
So huge shout out to the Wengification Squad member of the week.
And the Wengie corn of the week.
If you guys want your own shout out, don't forget to actually click subscribe, click the bell, and then
read the description box down below for further instructions.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next week for another video. Bye guys.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.